Start the Applix Smart by pressing the on-off button for at least 1 second. An acoustic signal sounds and the pump performs a self-test. The set now has to be primed if you have not already done so manually. Press the automatic priming button and keep the button depressed. The giving set is now filled with the required volume. Press the button until the set is primed. Release the button and the priming will stop. If the set is to be filled manually, open the tube clamp and make sure that it is closed when sufficient volume has been reached. With Applix Smart, you have the flexibility to select individual feeding rates between 1 and 600 milliliters per hour. Below 100 milliliters, the feeding rate is calibrated in steps of 1 milliliter. Above 100 milliliters, the feeding rate is calibrated in steps of 5 milliliters. The flow rates can easily be decreased or increased by pressing the arrow keys. For this demonstration, we have selected a flow rate of 300 milliliters per hour. Applix Smart offers the possibility to define the total amount of nutrition which should be administered over a specified period of time, the so-called target volume. To activate this function, press both buttons simultaneously. To increase or decrease the target rate, press the up or down arrow button. For this demonstration, we have selected a target volume of 250 milliliters. When the priming of the pump is finished, connect the giving set with the enteral feeding tube. This can be done via a step adapter or a Lure lock connector. The system is now ready for use. Press the Start-Stop button to activate the feeding. A blinking symbol and drops symbolize that the pump is running. All adjusted parameters can easily be deleted. Press the key and alarm button at the same time. The standard settings of Applix Smart are now reactivated. Once the target volume has been reached, stop Applix Smart by pressing the Start-Stop button. If the tube feeding is stopped before the target volume is reached, the volume administered so far can easily be identified by pressing the Information button. If the administration should start at 0 again, press the Information button for 3 seconds. Applix Smart offers the possibility to lock settings, such as flow rate and target volume, to avoid modification during the feeding process. To lock a function, press the key symbol once. The key symbol will now flash on the display. Press the button with the up arrow until the number 7 appears on the display. Press the key button once more. The pump is now locked. The selected settings cannot be changed. For safety reasons, the Start-Stop and On-Off buttons are not blocked. To unlock the pump, press the key button once, then select the number 7 by pressing the button with the up arrow. Now press the key button one more time. The pump is now unlocked. New flow rates and target volumes can be recalibrated. Applix Smart offers the user high flexibility. Applix Smart is appropriate for both stationary and ambulant use. The unit consists of the nutrition pump with an integrated battery and a pump holder which provides power and a communication interface. By pressing the release button on the side, the pump can easily be removed from the holder. With Applix Smart, ambulant patients are independent for 24 hours if, for example, a flow rate of 125 milliliters per hour is selected. At least 30 minutes before the battery runs out, a pre-alarm is activated. For recharging the battery, please see page 15 of the instructions for use. Applix Smart is equipped with permanent backlight illumination as long as the pump is connected to the pump holder. It will be switched off when the pump is detached. Applix Smart also provides the status of the battery charge level. This can also easily be checked from the pump display. A clamp on the back allows Applix Smart to be attached to all kinds of poles, patient beds, table edges, drop stands or wheelchairs by an easy-to-use screw device. The pump can be rotated by 180 degrees. Here the pump is used together with a universal table pole. When the giving set is connected with the feeding container, unlock and open the pump door with the door lever. Place the tube clamp on the giving set into the pump. Pay attention that the arrow marking on the clamp is visible and directed towards the user. Guide the giving set over the pump mechanism and fix it in the lower tube guide. The giving set should be a straight line and slightly stretched. Closing the pump door opens the clamp. When the pump door is opened, the free flow protection of the pump guarantees that the clamp is closed automatically. This protects the patient from the risk of free flow. The Applix Smart design enables easy cleaning. We recommend cleaning the pump and the pump holder when they become contaminated. Lift the door lever on the pump to open the door. Push the door slightly backwards and remove it from the anchoring. The door can be cleaned under running water. Clean the contact pins on the back of the pump carefully. For detailed information, please see pages 23 and 24 of the instructions for use. Applix Smart provides the user with additional information. The target volume and selected flow rate can easily be read from the display. If an intermediate result is required, press the information button I. The administered volume of tube feed and the outstanding amount can now easily be identified. Applix Smart is equipped with a memory function. Should the pump and the administration be stopped, Applix Smart stores the rate and the target volume and displays the volume of feed administered since the pump was last reset. Applix Smart offers high safety standards to its patients. Alarms can easily be identified. As soon as a malfunction occurs, Applix Smart triggers an alarm immediately. If an occlusion alarm arises or a feed container becomes empty, an acoustic signal is given. A synchronized blinking backlight enables the good visibility of alarm conditions, especially at night. Applix Smart recognizes if the giving set is kinked or blocked and activates the alarm. The alarm can easily be cleared by pressing the Start-Stop button, eliminating the cause of the alarm, and starting the feeding again by pressing the Start-Stop button. The alarm volume can be adjusted by pressing the button with the alarm bell. There are 3 different volume levels to choose from. Applix Smart offers various additional alarm functions to guarantee patient safety, such as battery alarm, door open alarm, and standby alarm. For further information, please see page 19 of the instructions for use or the mini guide. A number of accessories are available for Applix Smart, for example mobility kits. The lightweight Fresenius Kabi backpacks are ideal for mobile patients, allowing them to decide when and where they are fed. The backpack can easily be prepared for mobile nutrition. Insert the nutrition container and fix the giving set. Place the inlay for the secure positioning of the pump. The inlay offers additional space for the pump holder. If the pump holder is not needed, we recommend inserting a purpose-built component into the inlay of the backpack. Insert the pump. Place the tube clamp on the giving set into the pump. When the preparation is completed, fix the inlays with the belts. The backpack is now ready for use. For children, Fresenius Kabi also offers a lightweight and washable alternative for mobile nutrition. A waist belt is also available. For both backpacks, we have used the EasyBag Mobile Giving Set without a drip chamber. For more information about Applix Smart and its accessories, please contact your local representative. You can also visit our website at freseniuskabi.com. To prime the set, start with the feeding bag and open the plastic seal of the packaging. Here we use a very-align giving set, which offers multiple possibilities to connection with different containers, such as glass bottles, wide neck bottles, or bags. Connect the spike of the giving set with the port of the easy bag. Hang up the easy bag and pre-fill the drip chamber halfway. Make sure that the tube clamp is closed.